My name is Bertha Sadler Means. I was born in 5 miles from Valley Mill, Texas. My family were there. My grandfather was a slave, and it was so interesting that he was one of the greatest persons who was a slave, and he was able to start a church, Rock Springs Presbyterian Church, and every first Sunday in November, everybody who has always been to that area, it was just great. We had a big event. My father died, and my mother moved to Waco. And it was really interesting. My mother was just the greatest. They always said that you are a tomboy because you're always out climbing trees and playing ball with the boys. And they treated me as if I were a boy. It was really great, and from then on, I have been very active in sports.
Okay.
Basketball, and in my old age, golf. So I really like playing golf, and I wish that I could do it more, but I have so many things to do.
Right.
Yeah. So that, and then after having, I was in Waco, then I came to Austin, Texas. I was a student at Houston-Tillotson. At Tillotson then, now it's Houston-Tillotson, HSTO-Tillotson. And I have had a great time working there at the college. And I also got my master's degree from the University of Texas. My husband was a teacher at Tillotson College, and that's how we met. I was I got to go back. I was secretary. I had my own little office, a little bit larger, well, but this and that area, that was where I worked typing for teachers. And this little man was in my office every day. And I said, oh, he must be real brilliant because he's in here reading these books every day. And lo and behold, later on I found out that he was there, and we had to go to Houston to play basketball. And my teacher, Mrs. Roberts, said we have 3 cars, and you're going to be there with those 3 cars. And so all of the kids beat me to the nicest car. They left me with my husband-to-be car, which was not as nice as a nice station wagon that we were going to get in, and another Lincoln Zelda. I mean, it was just great, but I was on the... And so I said, well, if I have to ride in that old car, I'm going to ride in the front seat. And that's how we got together, and we married a few weeks later.
Okay.
The mathematics teacher, there were some people who didn't like me because they were looking at him, and I wasn't even thinking, because I was teaching, I was typing for teachers, and I was playing. I had nothing to do but do exactly what I like to do. I would even type for the teachers, it was something. I would type for them at night, and I've just been busy, but some of those people didn't like me because this nice young mathematics professor
Right.
became my husband. So I've just been real pleased at what we have done and what we have accomplished. One day, our kids, we had, there was an ice palace on Airport Boulevard. And I didn't have to chaperone the kids. We had a group of kids, the Jack and Jill. So I said, well, I'm going to get a friend of mine to go with me to the golf driving range. We're going to take the kids, drop them off at the Ice Palace. And we went on to this, I forgot his name, but this old man who was at the driving range. He said, "Oh, you can't be here. It was you, I'm black and you're white. I'm not supposed to be there." And that was the beginning of how I was involved in civil rights. And I told my friend, let's go back and see how the kids are skating. But they had been kicked out. And that was the end of that. And that was the very beginning of the civil rights in Austin. There were just a few people who were disgusted about everything. But I think the Ice Palace was really the main thing that helped people get together. Yes, I was an Obama delegate, but I've helped so many people, become people who are great ones, and then you find some who are not so great. So you just have to decide with whom will you work. Lloyd Doggett, Peck Young, they were students at the University of Texas, and I would have him to come and help knock on doors in East Austin. And I mean, Lloyd has been the greatest, really, politician. He and his wife, Libby. Oh, yes, I was a delegate for him. And I said, okay, I already had, in my attic, I had a wheelchair and I had a little pusher. Mm-hmm. And I just had it there, just in the event that I was getting old and I needed help. And so when we got ready to go and be with Obama, you're going to be in a long line of people. And I was great to take that little stroller. I could sit down because there was a lady in the line. She started yelling, "Oh, I'm sick, I'm sick." And I yelled and said, get somebody to help her. And just in a few minutes, someone was there to get her out to go to the hospital. Yeah. But that was really, really great. And it was Lloyd Doggett who got me seats at the inauguration. But since I was there helping these people, somebody took my seat. But it didn't bother me, because I could sit down on my little pusher.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yeah. Well, there are a lot of great people that I've been with over the years, and I like Austin. We've done a lot of great things with that city.
Right.
My kids have done real well, and I don't want to go into everything because they've been great kids.